And my bodyboards are great with different magnetic packs. Obviously you have the magnetic board, you have your pack, you can add different images and you can use that as a display. In this case I'm holding up the alcohol and its dangers. We have a full lesson plan activity, information on each of the magnets that are within here, and you can see the text descriptions that can also be added. Great way to look at key issues around public health, PSHE, such as say alcohol. I'm now going to speed the video up and you'll see all the images from this alcohol pack on the board. So we have the completed dangers of alcohol my bodyboard magnetic pack here on the board, and as you can see a lot of different images, especially around the dangers to the body itself, but also about, you know, don't leave a friend if they're so drunk, it can be dangerous. Thinking about hangovers, looking at the facts there can be violence, the litter, how it can affect schoolwork, etc. A lot to discuss. Again, each magnet got a little description and understanding in the activity guide. You can purchase the My Bodyboard from myeducationworld.co.uk. That's myeducationworld.co.uk.